So the next meeting will be on 12th in Gordon. Gordon is a beautiful leafy suburb. If you take a metro to Chesswood, 10 minutes the station to Gordon, walk there again, there is a health information session. Different speaker. अब बोलेंगे वो बता रहे वो भी पर तीनों speaker different हैं. And the third one is in Crow's Nest on 12th of the April. Again, take a metro goes to Crow's Nest. So 3 special health sessions we have organized. So this year 3 initiatives. जो आज आपने देखा है रिदम वाला, Wentworthville, Rouse Hill, Blacktown में we doing the rhythm program special. With North, the health sessions, and with Liverpool, we doing the excursions. So this year we got a lot of new initiatives. So please join, and thank you to Sanjay Vichar and Harmonji and to all our volunteers, Asha team. So let's set the music, Vinodji and Salia. I know you like to sing, but please, गाना में गाइए कि हमारे कान भी सुन के दिल खुश हो जाए.
हाँ जी, नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल, and good day to you. Here I am, Vijinder Dugal again from Asha Australia Foundation, bringing you and trying to come to your service from Rouse Hill. Rouse Hill is up in the north, a part of Blacktown Council, and it's a buzzing community with a lot of Indian families trying to make it a home. So we try to, with every young person who comes to Australia, 4 seniors come. Her parents, his parents, and we like to look after our seniors. And that's what we're doing today. In Rouse Hill, in the Rex Mooney Community Hall, on the top of the library, 4th Thursday of the month, 11 to 2 o'clock, we bring you the exercise program. Today we are very grateful to heart dancers who are bringing us the rhythm and bring us the expert people to give you good exercise, entertainment, morning tea, music, dance. Come and meet us and meet your other community members, meet the old friends, make new friends, support Asha Australia Foundation by becoming our members, volunteers, join us. And we are very, very grateful to Sanjay Vichar, to Harinder ji, who really connect us to you people. So please like the channel, subscribe, and have a look at Asha Facebook. And we have 9 groups, join them. Apart from that, there are a lot of other community or events that we connect you with, and look forward to seeing you very soon. Bye.
My name is Jaspreet, that's the real name. पर मैं हिंदी ज़्यादा बोलती हूँ, but basically I'm from Malaysia. So I'm actually born in Malaysia. I've been living in Sydney for about 14 or so years now. And I'm running a dance studio or dance company that's called Bolly On. What we do and what we specialize in is crowd interactions, interactions like this where we interact with the community. We do a little bit of Bollywood-style Zumba, kind of. So very simple, don't worry. All you need to do is follow along. So basic things are if I go this way, then we're moving this way. If I go this way, we're moving this way. But basically it's just to have lots of fun, enjoy the movement that we still have in our body, however much it is. It doesn't matter that you're moving less or more. It's a matter of just keeping it going. So that's really all that it's about. Today I'm here, I've been invited by Heart Dancers to be part of this. And yeah, I'm really pleased. So let's get going. Let's start. Everybody has to stand up. Everybody has to stand up and move a little bit away. Also the middle finger, 2 fingers are down, the other 2 are up. Very nice. Okay, this is bird. Then we're going to do flower, which is your hand is flat like this, and you're going to pull in your pinky finger. So this is not only, I'll tell you now, shortly we're going to know, but this is not only just for your fingers. This is also थोड़ा सा brain वाला exercise भी होगा इसमें. Okay, so this is fingers, this is bird. I'm going to make it easy ना, bird. फिर bird के बाद हम flower कहेंगे और ये flower है. थोड़ा सा pinky, थोड़ा सा अंदर. So flat palm से pinky थोड़ा सा your towards you, that is flower. ना ये तो आसान है, 2 birds हैं, 2 flowers हैं, आसान है. पर जब हम एक bird और एक flower करते हैं, तो let's try. 1 bird, okay, and 1 is a flower. ठीक है? Okay, now we concentrate. We're looking. Okay, now this is bird, this is flower. Great. Now let's change the bird to a flower. and the flower to a bird. Very nice. Let's go again. Change. One is the flower, one is the bird. Now the opposite is happening. Very nice. Look at your hands to make sure that actually looks like a flower and looks like a bird. Other side. Change. Very nice. Other side. Change. Other side. Change. Other side. Change. 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 ये क्या हो रहा है? That's what happens sometimes. But that is a good way to exercise not only the brain but also the fitness.
We had a good session of Bollyfit with Jaspreet, and now we'll do the music session. आज थोड़ा सा बाहर भी मौसम थोड़ा ऐसा ही है, but अंदर we have quite warm atmosphere. तो आज के जो गानों का प्रोग्राम है वो उसका टाइटल है जॉय मुखर्जी के गाने या रवि जो संगीतकार है उनके गाने या फेस्टिवल के गाने, जैसे होली फेस्टिवल हुआ था, तो इनमें से जो भी टाइटल हो वो आप चुन सकते हैं गानों के लिए. और some of my friends have already chosen their songs, so we always welcome you to let me know in advance what you are going to sing so that your name is in the list. And so मैं एक गाना पेश करता हूँ. ये फेस्टिवल टाइप सॉन्ग है. फिल्म का नाम है ब्लफ मास्टर 1963 का, और गाने के बोल हैं गोविंदा आला रे. So you can dance, clap and enjoy yourself or sing.
नाम रमेश संतबिनोर है. मैं ओरिजिनली बेंगलुरु से हूँ. अगर मेरी हिंदी में कुछ गलतियाँ, गड़बड़, नुक्स आप निकालेंगे तो मैं उसको ले लेता हूँ विथ ग्रेस, नो प्रॉब्लम. मैं अपने फैमिली के साथ सिडनी में करीब 30 साल से रह रहा हूँ. एंड आई एम रिटायर्ड सिविल इंजीनियर. 13 महीने हो गए रिटायर हो गए. म्यूजिक इज अवर पैशन इन आवर फैमिली. सबसे पहले मैं अपनी माता जी को प्रणाम करते हुए गाना गाऊंगा. माता जी जो एक्सलेंट बॉलीवुड सिंगर, प्रोफेशनल सिंगर थी बेंगलोर में, उनको लता मंगेशकर ऑफ बेंगलोर का नाम से पुकारा जाता था. एंड आई मिस हर. एंड माय वाइफ इज ए सिंगर टू. शी इज ए क्लासिकली ट्रेन्ड कर्नाटिक क्लासिकल सिंगर. एंड मेरी बेटी में 1940 से लेके आज अभी तक जो भी है, शी इज एन एनसाइक्लोपीडिया ऑफ म्यूजिक. तो म्यूजिक अपना फैमिली में है, एंड बोथ इन माय फैमिली एंड माय वाइफ्स फैमिली. दिस इज जस्ट अ लिटिल बैकग्राउंड.
Hello, I am Shashi Ahuja. We are basically from Delhi, but now we are permanent here from the last 5 years. और हम आशा में आते हैं. It is a very good program. They are helping people, they are helping all the seniors, and they are doing so much for all of us. Exercises, good food, and good relations here. And we like it very much. And the best thing is, Vijender ji is doing a lot of work for all of us. And hats off to all Vijender ji and her team. Thank you.
Hi, I'm KK Gursani, coming from Delhi. My 2 daughters are staying in Sydney, so I come to meet them about 3 weeks back. So today I came to this Asha program through my son-in-law, who informed me that Asha is organizing dancing exercises and music, and followed by cultural activities. So he said it will be good fun if you go there. So on his advice, we have come here, and it was really very pleasant to be with our Indian friends, and we have gone through Bollywood exercises. That was wonderful experience. I am feeling very energetic, and the friends are very good. I really am enjoying this program. Thank you very much.
ਆਸ਼ਾ ਫਾਊਂਡੇਸ਼ਨ ਇੱਕ ਬਹੁਤ ਵੱਡਾ ਪਲੇਟਫਾਰਮ ਹੈ. ਅਸੀਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਸੀਨੀਅਰ ਇੱਥੇ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਔਰ ਖੂਬ ਇੰਜੋਏ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ. ਇੱਥੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਯੋਗਾ ਕਰਾਉਂਦੇ ਹੈ, ਡਾਂਸ ਕਰਾਉਂਦੇ ਹੈ, ਔਰ ਸਾਰੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਖੁਸ਼ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੈ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਸਾਰੇ ਬਜ਼ੁਰਗ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਤੋਂ ਆਏ ਹੋਏ ਹੈ ਅਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਦਿਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੱਗਦਾ. ਇੱਥੇ ਆ ਕੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਖੁਸ਼ ਹੁੰਦੇ, ਸਭ ਦੇ ਫਰੈਂਡਸ ਵਗੈਰਾ ਬਣ ਜਾਂਦੇ. ਵੀ ਲਾਈਕ Asha Foundation
Hi
very
everyone,
much.
good morning. It's another Thursday morning for Asha Australia Foundation, having an event at their monthly seniors program at Rouse Hill. We welcome everybody to Rouse Hill, and it's a day, 3 hours full fun, and then lots of things are happening here, as you know. And then Asha Australia Foundation is having nearly eight programs. For a month. That's Blacktown, Rouse Hill, Gordon, Wentworthville, Crow's Nest, West Ryde, and Liverpool, and much more. So we want everybody to join, especially seniors. Come and enjoy your time, and then have a sing song, go for a sing along, and then enjoy the whole day. Thank you very much.
दीन दुनिया सब पैसे दी पैसा आनंद लियांदा दीन दुनिया सब पैसे दी पैसा आनंद लियांदा पैसे दा कोई रूप ना दिसे फिर भी खिच्चा पांदा पैसे दा कोई हथ ना दिसे पैसे दा कोई हथ ना दिसे फिर भी काम करांदा पैसे का कोई पैर नहीं है फिर भी चल के जाता पैसे की कोई जीभ नहीं है पैसे की कोई जीभ नहीं है फिर भी वाजा मारता पैसे का है खेल दुनिया ते हसदा ते रुलांदा पैसा ऐसी चीज दुनिया विच पैसा ऐसी चीज दुनिया विच तारता है या मारता पैसा ही हंकार है करता कईयां दी तां शान भी करता आखिरी सतरा ने पैसा रब नहीं पैसा सब नहीं पैसा रब नहीं पैसा रब नहीं फिर भी पूजा जाता फिर भी पूजा जाता Thank you very much.
For all types of criminal law, family law, immigration law, conveyancing, and employment matters, please contact Tarandeep Singh on 0470 412 600.